Hi there, welcome back. I do not normally do unboxings. It's not what I do on my channel. However, I am really excited about this one. I'm recording this before I leave for vacation, but this is going to be what I wear on the daily on my vacation, unless it's raining. Let's just get right into the unboxing. Okay, I've cut through the bottom of the box because my address is on the other side. This item comes from Fashion File. Thank you. From the bottom of this box. So, let's see. Okay. So the confetti won't all come out because it was all set on top. And you can see it's a small item. This is an item that I've wanted for a long time. And that little mini backpack that I traded with Winnie BLV. If you go way back on my Instagram, back in the olden days, oh, they taped it. They usually don't. Way back. In the olden days, you'll know that I was choosing between that item and this item. Yes. So this will be the little crossbody that I'm taking to England with me and wearing all the time. That also means I'll be getting rid of a lot of crossbodies because I know I will grab this more than many of the, I'll grab this over many of the others that I have. And I know that it'll fit my key fob and my phone because I watched video after video to make sure. And I also, this has been waiting on it. I got this off of the old Amazon. And I just got the felt one because I did not want leather on leather in here. Front pocket, zipper pocket. Cool, cool. And it is not brand new. And like I said before, I am going to wear it out. There's the date code down there. And this is from 2008. I'm going to put it this way. So this will help spread out the bottom. And it's just a piece of felt. And my phone and keys will fit right in. Really? Goes with most of my clothes and my hairs. I'm really excited about this one. I'm glad to have it. I'm going to wear it out. And when it starts to wear out, just put a patch on it. So I hope you enjoyed this rare unboxing. Because of this, I'm going to be getting rid of a lot of crossbodies. I probably already said that. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Oh, and don't forget, when I do my Sunday lives, even if you don't have a channel, but you do have a cell phone or a webcam or whatever, come on and talk to us if you want. You can, dip your feet in being live on YouTube. Mwah!